Arterberry, and I am a moderator for the Northwest Evil Eyes. It's the first Pacific Northwest 2015 and up group. That's a little bit different from your basic Subaru group. And this is my 2017 WRX. I've had the car for about 2 years in October, and it's just your basic bolt-ons. Stage 2, so full turbo bag, intake, TGV, EGR deletes, Pro Tune, in front, and Auburn. Great tune, no problems with it. But I did have my rear diff blow up. Yeah, I used to race my car quite a bit, and then went to go launch one time and didn't go anywhere. Exterior, so I'm on coils, lowered about 2.5 inches. Then have a front lip and some carbon fiber side skirts, the rear spads, and then wheels. I've got these wheels actually. They're raised gram lights, 570 extreme. So they're 18 by 9.5 plus 22 with the stock tire size 245/45, 245/40, 18. And for exhaust, I am fully catless with the ETS Extreme Catback. It's really loud. And obviously, I have an STI trunk. Not an STI, but it's a badge. Simple stuff like the visors, vortex generator. And actually, one of my favorite parts about my car is my headlights. They're blacked out. I have switchbacks and whatnot. I think it really makes the car look better. I have a oil cap, and I have the grill, stock motor grill. I have a lot of long-term goals for this car, power-wise and exterior-wise. Within the next year, I want to dial in my fitment a lot better, go a little bit lower, full arms, maybe a hood or trunk, one or the other, and then I need to get a matching front lip.
Okay.